I'm 13 years old.
I'm 14.
I'm 8 years old.
10 years old.
8 years old.
I am 10 years old.
My favorite food is tacos, pizza,
Ice cream and bubble tea.
Something that makes me unique is my personality.
I'm really good at cartwheels.
I'm a great dancer.
Some kids may feel like they don't fit in because they think they may not look good because of their skin color, any disabilities they have,
because of their background or their voice. They might be new to Canada, or maybe they cook different foods.
Because their personality is unique. If someone doesn't feel included, bring them into your friend group and just say, hey, you want to come hang out with us?
Caring about them, playing with them all the time.
If you're in school, you can help them with work.
trying to be their friend or hanging out with them a bit.
Inviting them to play with me or do something with me.
I feel happy because kids have a place to call when they feel like they have no one to talk to. Makes me feel happy so they don't always be sad and have like a down face.
It makes me feel good that kids can talk to Kids Help Phone about anything.
It can be hard to know what to do if you're feeling left out. Everyone has different beliefs, experiences, abilities, appearances, and more. It's what makes each of us so unique. If you're feeling left out or like you don't fit in, you're not alone. We can all work together to help everyone feel included. For ways to get support and let your feelings out, visit KidsHelpPhone.ca.